Run faster, everyone! The final boarding call is echoing right now, and our gate is closing fast. Oh no, wait! Stop running right now! Look closely at this ticket. We are standing at the wrong gate.
Look up there. Our flight is boarding at gate B12 on the other complete side of the terminal. It is all my fault. I begged you to stop at that cool toy store to buy a plane.
We should have checked the gate number again right after leaving the shop instead of assuming we knew it.
No time to argue now. Hold on to your bags tightly and follow me as fast as you can.
Excuse us, please let us through. We have only 2 minutes left before the gate doors shut completely.
Daddy, my little legs are running so fast, but the gate looks so very far away down the hallway.
Keep going, family. I can see the big letter B sign hanging right around the next corner ahead. There it is. Gate B12 is right over there, and keep pushing, we might still make it inside. Look at the gate agent. She is scanning the final passenger and closing the heavy glass boarding door.
Gate B12 is now officially closed for departure. All remaining passengers are marked as no-show for this flight.
Please wait for us. We are right here. Please open the door so my family can board our plane.
I am so sorry, but the flight manifest is already closed and the plane is preparing for pushback.
I ruined our entire summer holiday. If I did not want that toy, we would be on that airplane.
It all started this morning when we arrived early at the airport, feeling super excited for our dream vacation.
We have plenty of spare time before boarding, so everything is going smoothly and according to our careful schedule.
Here are our boarding passes, everyone. Our flight is departing at gate A5 in about 2 hours. We are well ahead of time, kids, so we can pass through airport security without any rush today. Put your yellow backpack into the bin, Mike, and make sure to take your electronics out carefully, please.
Look, Mom. I went through the scanner all by myself without making the loud alarm beep at all.
Great job, everyone. Security check is finished in just 10 minutes, giving us lots of relaxing free time.
Wow, this departure lounge is huge and beautiful. Look at all those giant airplanes parked out on the runway.
Dad, look at that amazing toy store. There is a giant glowing supersonic jet in the front window. Can we please go inside for just one quick minute? I really want to see the model airplane collection.
We still have more than an hour until boarding begins, so a quick visit should be totally fine, dear.
All right, Mike, we can look for 5 minutes, but remember, we must stay mindful of our departure time.
This store is paradise. Look at all these cool models, remote control helicopters, and colorful airport playsets everywhere. This airplane looks exactly like the big one we are going to fly on across the ocean today. Mike, look at me. I am the airplane captain now, flying high above the fluffy white clouds and sky.
These travel books have wonderful pictures of the Sunny Beach Resort we will reach by this sunny afternoon.
Look, Dad, this little drone can hover in midair. Can we please buy this for our beach holiday trip?
Okay, Mike, you have been very helpful today, so let us take this plane to the cashier right now.
That will be $20, sir. Thank you for visiting our airport gift shop, and have a nice flight.
We got the awesome airplane. Now we can walk over to gate A5 and wait for boarding comfortably.
It feels so nice not having to rush around the airport. Having plenty of time is always so wonderful. Wait a second, why are there no other passengers sitting here in the chairs waiting for our flight?
Look at that screen. This says Flight 305 to Chicago, not our Sunny Beach vacation flight number.
Let me check this ticket again. It says Gate A5, but why does the screen show another city?
Attention passengers on Flight 729 to Miami. This is the final boarding call at Gate B12.
Gate B12. They changed our departure gate while we were browsing toys, and we never noticed the change.
Gate B12 is on the opposite terminal wing. We have less than 3 minutes to get over there.
And that brings us right back here, panting out of breath in front of this locked boarding gate door.
The bright red letters on the screen confirm the terrible reality. Our flight has officially departed without us.
It is all my fault. Because I wanted that silly toy plane, we missed the real big airplane today. I do not even want this toy anymore. I ruined everything for Mom, Dad, and my little sister Lily.
If only I had insisted on checking the flight departure screens before going inside that toy store earlier today.
Does this mean we cannot swim in the warm ocean pool or build big sandcastles on the beach?
Look at me, Mike. Take a deep breath and wipe your tears, because crying will not change what happened.
Missing the flight is not your fault alone, son. We are a family, and we made this mistake together today.
But Dad, you said 5 minutes, and I took too long looking at the remote control helicopter models.
It was my responsibility as the parent to track the time and verify the gate changes on the monitor.
Dad is right, sweetheart. Getting angry or blaming each other will never solve problems or get us onto an airplane.
Here is a tissue, Mike. Do not be sad. We are still together and having an airport adventure today. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I am really sorry for not paying attention to the time.
That is the right attitude. When mistakes happen in life, we stay calm and work together to find solutions.
Let us go talk to the friendly airline agent over there and see what options we have available next. Excuse me, ma'am. We unfortunately missed our flight due to a gate change misunderstanding. Can you please assist us?
Hello there. Do not worry at all, and let me pull up your flight reservation in our airline booking system. Let me see. 4 passengers booked on flight 729.
Is there any chance we can still get on another airplane to join our beach vacation today, please?
You are very polite, young man. Let me check the afternoon flight schedule to see if empty seats exist.
We are willing to take any flight later this afternoon or evening if there are seats available for 4.
Good news. Flight 842 departs at 2:30 this afternoon, and exactly 4 open seats remain available. I can transfer all 4 of your tickets onto the afternoon flight right now without any cancellation penalties.
Yes, we are still going on our vacation. Thank you so very much for helping my family today.
Here are your new passes for Gate C8. Please make sure to be at Gate C8 by 2.
Gate C8, boarding at 2 o'clock sharp. I will memorize this gate number so we never forget it.
Thank you so much for your wonderful kindness and helpful service. You truly saved our family holiday trip today.
Now that our new flight is confirmed, we have about 3 hours of waiting time ahead of us.
Mommy, my tummy is making funny growling sounds. Can we please get some yummy lunch to eat together?
Look at that lovely airport cafe over there. They have delicious sandwiches, fresh fruit smoothies, and warm pizza slices.
Let us sit at this sunny booth table near the giant window so we can watch airplanes take off.
What would everyone like to eat? Today's special lunch is on me to celebrate solving our big travel mistake.
I want the big, cheesy triangle pizza and a tall glass of sweet strawberry milkshake with rainbow sprinkles. I would love a toasted turkey club sandwich with crispy golden French fries and fresh cold orange juice, please.
We will take the family lunch combo with pizza, sandwiches, juices, and plenty of water for everyone, please. Look out the window, kids! A giant double-decker passenger airplane is taking off into the bright blue sky right now.
Whoa! Look at how steep it climbs. Soon we will be way up in the sky, just like that.
Here is your hot, fresh lunch, folks. Enjoy your delicious meal and have a safe and wonderful flight today.
This sandwich is delicious. I feel so much better now that our vacation is back on track again.
Let us make a family toast to staying calm under pressure and always working as a strong team together.
Cheers to family teamwork, positive attitudes, and overcoming unexpected travel bumps with big smiles on our faces. Today was quite a scary surprise, but we learned a very valuable lesson about paying close attention to details. I learned that having fun is great, but keeping track of time and responsibilities is always much more important.
Let us make an official family travel rule right now. Always check the departure gate screen before stopping anywhere.
From now on, whenever we travel anywhere, we always locate our exact boarding gate first before doing anything else.
I promise to be the official gate inspector on every trip and read the giant monitor numbers for everyone.
Everyone bursts into warm laughter, turning what could have been a ruined day into a happy, unforgettable travel memory.
Look at the time, team. It is 1:45, which means it is time to head toward Gate C8.
Let us pack up our bags, grab our new boarding passes, and walk over to Gate C8 together.
Walking through the bright terminal hall, the family moves with calm confidence, knowing exactly where they are going today.
There is Gate C8 right ahead of us. The boarding sign says Florida, and people are lining up.
The bright green monitor shows our flight is boarding on time, with plenty of room for all passengers aboard.
The gate agent scans our 4 boarding passes with a cheerful beep and welcomes our family onto the airplane.
Walking down the bright jet bridge, Mike feels a wave of pure relief and happiness wash over his heart.
Mistakes will happen to everyone in life, but if you stay calm and work together, everything turns out fine.
Remember to always check your gate, stay positive when things go wrong, and enjoy every exciting adventure with family.